Look at my boy Lonnie pulling up.
Damn, Casey.
YouTube, what's up, man? It's your boy Young Rich 419. I'm back with another video, man. You see, we are in the Riviera coupe today, man. Sliding. The camera may be jumping a little bit. You know what I mean? It's not really secure, but hey, I guess you gotta deal with it, man. So, but besides that, man, update on the Magnum. Hey, man. My boy getting that Magnum right, man. I see the body shop, man. I didn't even expect that he was gonna do what he did, you know what I'm saying? Took all the windows out, man. The whole trunk lid off, you know what I mean? You know, that's a station wagon, so the whole trunk lid off, man. He doing something that I didn't expect to see, you know what I'm saying? So I'm very excited, man, what's about to come for this Dodge Magnum, man. So I can't wait for y'all to see it too. But like I said, man, we need a coupe. You feel me? Riviera slide, man. You know what I'm saying? So that's how I feel to slide in the coupe, man. You know what I mean? My cars do drive, man. They not garage queens, man. So yeah, man, I'm about to probably pull up to my pop's crib, man. My brother over there. Get that whip on the camera, know what I'm saying? Got a lack on folds, on floats, you know what I'm saying? Paint, flip, crazy, beat, stupid, know what I'm saying? But yeah, we in the coupe, man. This how I be riding, man. Y'all see me, dripped up, draped out, dripping like a mug. Got my son right here with me. He don't want to be on camera though. Want to say hi?
Hey.
Say it a little bit louder.
Hey.
Yeah, man, so let y'all see me slide right quick, man. Like I said, I'm in Toledo, Ohio, man, so should have turned the camera around, or maybe get some B-roll footage or something, I don't know, but yeah, man, I got some shit to do next week too, though, so well, it depends when y'all get this video, who knows, but cause I gotta put this Riviera in the shop. Yeah, we gotta go to the shop too, man. I gotta replace it. Start hearing this clicking noise in the CV joint, man. So gotta replace that. But yeah, man. Besides that, we good though. We still sliding though. You know what I'm saying? So, but yeah. Also, man, thank y'all to our subscribers, man, who have been subscribing lately, man. Appreciate it, man. We almost to 300 subscribers, man. Maybe when I get to 500, man, we probably gonna do like a $50 Amazon gift card or something, man. You know what I mean? So y'all think about that, man. Then when I get to 1,000 subscribers, man, I give y'all $100 Amazon gift card, man. Go ahead and get that away, man. So y'all go ahead, like, share, subscribe, man. Shoot, and then hit y'all with some little, probably some B-roll footage right now or something, man. Cause we in the coupe, Riviera coupe, man. Yeah.
Three up. It's just a therapeutic situation, you know. It's all about blessings and reflections, you know. It's like I'm already in a rate from just sitting up looking at the stars. Like, damn, I really did this shit, you know. Master of manifestation. That's what I be. 3 of them, dog. sitting in the race, sitting in the race. $100 million told you I'ma make it. Sitting in the rape, sitting in the rape, yeah. $100 million told you I'ma make it. Sitting in the rape, sitting in the rape. $100 million told you I'ma make it. Yeah, sitting in the rape, sitting in the rape. $100 million told you I'ma make it. Yeah. I wishing on a star, I had a premonition. When I moved to California, I began my mission to be the pinnacle of hope and determination. Proprietor and founder of the organic nation. They watched me fertilize my brand from the seed. They watched the roots grow, then I formed a tree. I harvest all my blessings, the fruit of my labor. Ever since a little nigga.
Yeah, YouTube, we here, man. Know what I'm saying? Let me show y'all my brother whip, man. You feel me? Sure, man. Flipping paint, beat, tear, all that good stuff, man. Paint, flip, flop, flip, flop, flip, flop. Flip, flop. Man.
See Lonnie down there?
Yeah, I was hollering at him.
Yeah, we holler at him too.
Yeah.
Did I see you yesterday? You remember? Oh, damn, all right.
Nah, you cool.
Yeah, I was just saying, bag all that shit you may need for later. I'm gonna get it. But I see, I know, because I know I left my cut.
You got grill speakers down?
Yeah.
Oh, I ain't know that.
You already got it, girl.
Did you have that?
No, them new.
Down there?
Yeah. Yeah, them new right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, about to say shit.
Yeah, he was like, shit, because only one of them worked. The only one of them worked. He was like, shit, you might as well just go ahead and spend that $100.
What, Park Life? You talking about?
No, real.
Oh. Now, you had a special switch for them, right, to turn them off?
Yeah.
But they...
That motherfucker slapping though.
Yeah.
Look at my boy Lonnie pulling up. Fresh paint. Get some new headlights. Get some new headlights. Yeah, they look new.
Nah, hell, I'm about to get some new ones.
Them bitches look new as hell. I don't remember that on the side.
Nah, them come off. You know how the side pieces come off? I took them the other pieces off. Like, you know how they got, it's like a whole different part.
Oh, that's the second part.
Yeah.
Oh, I know. I thought it was one
Because the
thing.
last I had them on there before, they was white. And the boys came up and hit the side, tore the whole side of the car.
Damn. Yeah, that shit do a lot better right
I
there.
like it with the, I'm going to change my lights back in the middle.